Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm reviewing the Jabra Elite 85H headphones. Released with a mission to compete against the likes of Sony and Bose, the Elite 85H has a strong emphasis of smart features, comfort, and call clarity, all wrapped in a sleek, modern design. In this review, I'm going to explore everything you need to know about the Elite 85H, from sound quality and noise cancellation to battery life, comfort, call performance, and what makes them unique in a crowded field of premium headphones. Let's get started. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Let's kick it off with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the headphones themselves, a sturdy travel case, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening, and an airplane adapter. The packaging is clean and efficient, just like the headphones. When you first hold the Elite 85H, they feel solid, not overly heavy, but substantial enough to give you that premium feel. They got a fabric-covered exterior on the ear cups and headband, which gives them a stylish texture you don't often see, while the metal accents around the hinges add a bit of visual flair without being flashy. Now, the Elite 85H sports a design that's modern and professional, no unnecessary curves, no glossy plastics, just clean lines and a matte finish that's resistant to fingerprints and smudges. They fold flat for easy storage and the hinges feel robust and smooth. The ear cups rotate 90 degrees, which helps them fit nicely around your neck when you're not wearing them. The fabric material not only looks great but also adds grip, so they won't slide around easily when you are on the move. They are available in a few color options like titanium black, navy, gold, beige, and copper black, giving you some flexibility to match your style. Comfort is where the Elite 85H truly shines. The memory foam ear cushions are generous and soft, wrapping around your ears without creating pressure points. The headband has just the right amount of clamping force, snug enough to stay in place during movement, but loose enough to avoid fatigue over long sessions. The ear cups are large and deep, which is perfect for over-ear comfort, especially if you have bigger ears. Whether you're commuting, working from home, or flying across the country, the Elite 85H holds up for hours without becoming a pain to wear. Now let's get into the most important category, the sound quality. The Jabra Elite 85H delivers a well-rounded, dynamic sound profile that handles pretty much any genre you throw at it. Out of the box, the tuning leans toward a slightly warm sound signature. The bass is present but not overpowering, giving you that satisfying thump without muddying up the mids. The mid-range is nicely detailed, vocals, instruments, podcasts all come through clearly, and the highs have enough sparkle to give music some energy without getting harsh or piercing. What's impressive is how clean and controlled everything sounds. Even at higher volumes, there is minimal distortion. You can also tweak the sound using the Jabra Sound Plus app, which gives you access to a customizable EQ with presets like bass boost, treble boost, and vocal focus. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, classical, rock, or lo-fi beats, the Elite 85H handles it all with grace. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The noise cancellation on the Elite 85H is powered by Jabra's smart sound technology, which uses artificial intelligence to adapt ANC based on your environment. The idea is that it detects where you are, whether it's a quiet room, a noisy street, or a train, and adjusts the settings accordingly. The ANC performance is good, especially for the price range. It's not as aggressive as the Bose 700 or Sony XM5, but it does a solid job cutting out low-end rumbles and ambient chatter, perfect for office environments, coffee shops, or commuting. There's also a hear-through mode, which lets in outside sounds so you can stay aware of your surroundings. It's great for walking around town or having quick conversations without removing the headphones. One of the unique things about the Elite 85H is its smart control system. You won't find any touch-sensitive panels here. Instead, you get physical buttons that are responsive, intuitive, and don't get triggered by accident. Volume, play, pause, track skipping, and voice assistant activation are all handled by buttons on the right ear cup. The left side houses the ANC hear-through toggle. The layout is simple and, best of all, reliable. The headphones also have smart sensors. Take them off and playback pauses automatically. put them back on and it resumes. It's a small touch, but one that makes a big difference in day-to-day use. Battery life on the Elite 85H is outstanding. You get up to 36 hours of playback with ANC turned on and around 41 hours if you turn ANC off. That's more than enough for multiple days of heavy use on a single charge. Even better, it supports fast charging. A 15-minute charge gives you up to 5 hours of use, which is super convenient when you're on the go or forgot to plug in overnight. The Jabra Sound Plus app is where you'll find all your customization options. You can switch between noise cancelling modes, adjust the EQ, update firmware, and activate smart sound features. It also lets you create personalized sound profiles for different environments like commute, focus, or public, and the headphones will automatically switch between them based on ambient sound detection. It's like having a smart assistant for your audio preferences. The app is clean, easy to navigate, and doesn't overwhelm you with too many options. The Jabra Elite 85H hits a sweet spot between premium performance and practical value. These are for people who want great sound, excellent call quality, long battery life, and smart features, all without shelling out top-tier prices. They're ideal for commuters, professionals, students, and anyone who spends a lot of time in calls or virtual meetings. If you want all the comfort, intuitive controls, and real-world durability, the Elite 85H should absolutely be on your radar. To wrap it up, the Jabra Elite 85H is one of the most underrated headphones in the premium space. It might not have the brand flashiness of Sony or Bose, but what it does have is consistency, smarts, and real-world practicality. With excellent sound quality, adaptive ANC, incredible battery life, and a design that's both durable and stylish, the Elite 85H brings a ton of value for the price. It's not just good, it's dependable, smart, and a joy to use. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that can handle everything from music and movies to meetings and long flights without breaking the bank, the Jabra Elite 85H is a top-tier contender. So guys, let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up these headphones or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.